Hello everyone, I am Sami and I am just a learner. I am trying different projects. So basically trying these projects to maximize my income. That is my idea, that is my strategy. So today I am going to review my fifth day in Drip Garden. So basically Drip Garden is a project that is run by Drip community, and Drip community is running like 1 year ago. So it's running very smooth for 1 year, and they have started multiple projects. And this one, Drip Garden, is one of the project that is owned by Drip community. So in Drip Garden, basically they are paying us 3% daily, and this 3% can be raised to 5% to 6%, but the minimum amount they are going to pay at any cost, that is 3%. So the high risk high award. So I have started my journey 5 days ago and it's my fifth day. So I am earning, up to now I have earned $50. This is my earning. So these are plants. Basically they just harvest, we are going to harvest to get the withdraw. So this is how it works. So this is the plants, and these are the seeds that are being we can say just like a miner, it is being the harvesting, and seeds per day we are earning is this amount. So basically this is a very good project. So here you can see that up to now I have 1.231 LP tokens. LP tokens are the seed value, which can be up, which can be down. So right now amount I have earned is $50, which I can withdraw right now. So this is the thing. And